Is it morning?
Mila, today is your interview.
5 more minutes, please.
No 5 minutes, get up now. You said today is your big day.
Okay, I'm up. Oh no, interview!
Look, if you're late, you'll lose the job.
Okay, I'm getting ready right now. I have to be confident today. I have to get this job.
Look, Mila, there's nothing to be afraid of. You've been preparing for this interview for a long time. You've been up all night studying. How many times have you practiced questions? Today is just the day to show it.
But what if they ask difficult questions? What if I get stuck? No, you can't think like that. Making mistakes is not a bad thing. The important thing is to try. Oh, time is very short. I have to cook in a shortcut today.
Simple but delicious breakfast. Eggs are sizzling nicely. Now for the toss. Almost ready. Perfect.
This tea is perfect. Okay, time to set the table. First, the plates. Now for the cups and spoons. All set.
Wow, Mila, how did you cook so much in such a short time?
But I have an interview today.
I know, but it's really amazing how quickly you can get everything ready.
When there is a big task, people become super fast.
So today you are a super chef.
I guess so. When there is a big task, people become super fast.
So today you are a super chef. Breakfast is ready, honey.
It looks amazing. Let's sit.
This toast is perfect.
And these eggs are so fluffy.
Glad you like it.
I have to do well today. This interview is very important for me. Okay, all set. There's my taxi. Time to go. Time to palazzo. Oh no, it's getting late. I have to get there quickly. All right, almost there.
Stop! Pull over now! Okay, stopping! Madam, why were you driving so fast?
Sir, I'm so sorry. I have an important interview today, so I was in a bit of a hurry.
Next time, drive carefully. It is very important to follow the rules of the road.
Yes, sir, I will definitely be careful. Thank you. Okay, Mila, you can do it. Be confident.
Good morning, madam. Can I help you?
Good morning. I have an interview here today.
Oh, okay. Please sit here. You will be called in a moment.
Thank you. May I come in?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mila. Please sit down. Okay, first tell me a little about yourself.
My name is Mila. I am very hardworking and always eager to learn new things. I believe that if you work hard, you can achieve any goal.
Suppose, while you are working in the office, the power suddenly goes out. What would you do then?
First, I will go and sit by the window.
Why?
Because there will be light. Then I will start working again.
If you get this job, what would be your biggest goal?
I want to help the company through my work. And I want to learn something new every day. Oh, I'm so sorry, sir.
Is this the same alarm that woke you up this morning?
I think so. This alarm is giving me a lot of trouble today.
Suppose there is a big problem at work. How would you solve it?
First, I would analyze the problem, then collaborate with my team to find a solution.
Okay, one last question. Why should we choose you for this job?
I have the skills and drive to exceed your expectations because I can work with responsibility. I learn quickly and always have a positive attitude. And most importantly, I really value this opportunity.
Mila, we like your confidence and positive attitude. Congratulations, you got the job.
Really?
Yes, welcome to our team.
Thank you. I'm really happy.
Tamim, where are you? Tamim! Where are you?
Here you are. What's the matter? You seem very happy today.
Tell me something first. If someone brings you big news, what should you give them?
I have to hear the news first.
Then I will decide what the reward will be.
Oh, don't tell me. Why are you creating such suspense?
Okay, then listen. I got the job.
Really? You really got the job?
Yes, they said I was selected. I have to join from next week.
Wow. I knew you could do it. You worked so hard for this interview.
Yes, I was a little nervous during the interview today. But everything went well later.
What questions did they ask?
A lot of questions. At one point, they asked me, "Why are you suitable for this job?"
What did you say?
I said, "Because I love to work hard and I'm very interested in learning new things."
That's right. Have there been any other interesting incidents?
Yes, of course. But first, let me freshen up a bit.
Okay, and listen, you don't have to cook today,
Why?
because today we will order food from outside. Let's order food now.
Yes, we will eat something good today.
What will you eat?
Pizza, burger, and some dessert.